This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with Nick DiGiovanni. To truly elevate your home cooking, begin by embracing the core principles Nick champions. He consistently highlights the importance of starting with the best possible ingredients, sourcing them thoughtfully for peak freshness and flavor. Understanding the why behind each step, from a gentle simmer to a roaring sear, will dramatically improve your culinary results. This foundational knowledge empowers you to adapt recipes and create dishes with confidence. Nick often stresses that great food begins long before you even turn on the stove. Focus on selecting ingredients at their peak, seeking out vibrant colors and firm textures in your produce. A ripe tomato, for instance, should feel heavy for its size and offer a rich, earthy aroma. For proteins, look for responsible sourcing, whether it is grass-fed beef or sustainably caught fish. These choices not only enhance the flavor of your dish, but also contribute to a mindful approach, making every ingredient count. Precision in technique is a hallmark of Nick's style, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Master fundamental knife skills. A finely diced onion, for instance, cooks more evenly and adds consistent flavor. Experiment with different cooking temperatures, recognizing that a screaming hot pan creates a perfect crust, while low heat gently coaxes flavor from delicate herbs. Practicing these precise methods, like achieving a perfectly emulsified vinaigrette, truly elevates your dishes to a professional standard. Creating a truly memorable dish involves a delicate balance of flavors and textures, something Nick consistently demonstrates. Think about building layers. Perhaps start with an aromatic base, then add a vibrant acid like lemon juice at the end to brighten everything. Consider contrasting textures, such as the crunch of toasted nuts against a creamy soup. Finally, take a moment to plate your food thoughtfully, arranging components with care, as a visually appealing dish promises a more delightful culinary journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.